Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you to disable Reels notification on Instagram in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom left. Then search for the account that you want to disable the Reel notification. Tap on their profile. Tap on the bell icon at the top right. Now toggle off the option for Reels. Just like so. Now you won't be notified if they post any Reel. You can do the following for posts and stories as well. And that is how to disable Reel notifications on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.